Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Good morning, everyone. Waiting day, my people. I got them again. Cough, don't they worry me. Why you be na got ball me? Throat they pain me. My throat was paining me. I don't know why. Changing of the weather is really affecting Mommy Susie. Waiting them, my people. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Mother de bien with think as this morning. I can't reach Musia around 9:40. 9:40. Good morning, everyone. Madali Ofure, good morning, sorry. How was your night? Excuse me. You know, sorry, another kind, almost 10 o'clock. Sorry. What to now I call like Tassin. You get you always pay. It came and wait Tassin arrive no there from bus station. He can arrive about 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, it can lie a bus no do go daughter me. Good morning, Madali. Domosa. Domosa lave is a baby. He said, drink warm water, okay. May the fair wake up, they sleep. May they call me home this thing. Soft throat will worry any baba. Although you want to know there was somewhere. So, now so. You got Mama Revie. And then Yakmo, the other God of me, and I tell her, I said they will go walk. So, or 8 o'clock in Bana 8 o'clock, or what is 7 or 7:30 halfway. Then I get the one where I want to carry follow body go city for that side, drop out, do 1 or 2 things, go perfumeria. You know. Not so. Now what you will. Thank you. I'll drink warm water. Yeah. Or quickly. You see. Or what me, or what gear, I arrive. Maybe. On a quoi, you see. Maybe I don't know what. Let it go out of you go out of another ye party, never ya. Or ya, no be ya bump. So be, I'm going to be not carrying nothing. So the water's on block, blue background. Now be this one. This one, I don't say I get this one. Now you're so valid. This one now, you can call it husband and wife. You can call it husband heart. Okay? Bonjour. Comment ça? Ça va? Toi bien? Tu parles français? Moi, parle français pour qui peut-être? Bonjour, chérie. Chérie, that is good morning, my love. Yeah. And one of my ear get this one. So, if I don't already, I'll carry and follow body. A luggage yet in a very my goddaughter, you not sleep yesterday when I wake baby dear. After she come from work, she come from work around almost 12. Oh, you will meet pie and ask meet pie where I want carry come out. The guy go do meat pie for me. Me, I go give my husband and promise. All I know the beg. Happy mono anybody me and summer. But the market you bake here, eh? It is good to be good. We have come a long way. She has been my goddaughter since 2002. Not 22, 2002. Long time. Even when I never ever say I want for my son. Now I make my son too like her, eh? Oh, yeah, this one I'm monkey. Now me and you be cool, I be this one. So now one of my ear can't get this one. If I don't already, I'll come carry her. They are very beautiful. Don't Hey, almost a be. So no care na hena ni avio gya ne. Ona amu lele gbe wo bi na. Si 5 you know say wetin my goddaughter buy for me. Ye magbe de gbe nya see wetin she buy for me. Ew, aga bi mo ene gbe onye me ga so ma ge pono de ke na hena. Bege. Hey. When you are so bobo. Ew. I'm on any see, I'm gonna give you this one. Rima well. Girl. Valentino. Don't be sitting me tell you. Yeah. Okay. You see, it's my gift. It may battle good. No open without we are no cover you. See, it's a beautiful gift from a nice, beautiful. If you say my goddaughter, you did send a half cast. Oh, I'll give you Ecuador. Oh, yeah, I'll give you Bolivia. This one, now this one, I son, they call me yesterday. We are Hana. My baby won't bother you. Go, you will Hana. Yeah. You understand? Now 2 children. I got a blessing. 1 boy, 1 princess. The princess of Yoruba Mavis will tell a story. No, Tamame no dia de Bieka. One me Bieka. E kunya zime. E me o. E kunya zime Bieka. Evini ita no dia de. Evini rade. Evini jede. Evini da unye. Only ya. Ni yewe. Only ya. Mommy, I should tell you another story now. We'll continue. Obi tata tobi Muhammad Obi hu. Obi Tony phone. Do you like the story? Well, yes. Should I tell you another story? Even the woman said, we are yes go back. Each area what about story, mammy. Now we big woman. You what I look. And again another bionona. But I beg a mona baby we bring it talo me a yehiri. A queer zime. A mana be Nigeria begani. Aga wa a teme ma wa we na. Uga upe wo ubene mo abiye ka bu eme we bu ga yo bo kaya ibina we ni atake yen teya ege no na amade ege no bi me na steke goddaughter gi me na me pa de bejo yin ga gba omi me no pe talo ade mo na bebe we bo na good morning my darling, good morning mommy. I'm not in Nigeria, Miss Pay my love. Obi me eteme so where you to utalogbe even ma atamo me very utalogbe what is utalogbe o ipe ona do aban ina wezi gbe ebori wa bi ogweba o gi bi oge ona ye na bi ge to bi me because ge no bi ni na bi o bi me yere ke no je bo pie in fact obi o kana be ge ni yele lo ma bo bi me yele le so bi bele kan le ko mo na mu oye no wojo nu ah eni obi me ya so even ata obi me aga ke school de omudia nuru o si ari onuru wa gege no ri no omudia ko egbe onuru abie ko gbe o ya mudia ye ko onuru wo wa akare bo mo se gogo wari wa so ma gbe bi to ta ha ore ni promise e kwa was when you ogbe oni do mo nya ni ogogo oye no wojo unu onu na gi wan de o salobo yen izetalo ye control e no na da school e teacher me gbo bi okana o control e teacher e teacher ga teme o we teacher ma right o mai mi bi je gbe we ani je gun ira gun je gi fu o we na me bobo na ye ne o we mo ho yin aweri yan ha ijibi I press quality and now press on why e matter wa we ne mi a wa re nu egbe e na ge he ni be ki be kana we re on here ke no get that time ye we so ge no talo ije do akobre mo mi ya o talo gbe e na we me maka mo we e ri bi e we bo talo unu ya gwe o ipe na gi talo no i wa le talo no de nu po give a story on the water. Can I tell you a story? He working. Mommy, can I tell you a story working? Story a time me know the other Ejiba. The Remona baby with body and they grow very fast. Odafi me me no na dead no. No ya me so be. I don't know, maybe not 12 of us will come December. I never know. Because I'll still come December. This one, now 2 of us, me with my Ibu. Now I can do this one Mugu with Shibu. That time we spent 2 weeks. My body. Beg no say, suppose say time we are no more possible later that time say Abu. Or we are having and I think this boy say 11 years now, 2014. Now I'm Mama Bona. Very intelligent boy. Don't grow finish. Ere bobe tu ozeti no zete kiane. O report ye mama no dia de Niger way. Africa mother ona kan tafia. Ona tout de tafia. E Niger way ni ori die. So mother no understand now. Good morning, my darling. You can't get baby for Ikea. Ije just come out. Ije not shave and je can't defy. You see, if na Africa na me email, ije just go tell the doctor. He want go take injection. Ije na one mudi. Ona le the doctor. Ona when where be say they don't grow, they can't they drive us. They don't want me with day close to the gate. You can't enter this thing. Enter the room with the doctor. Doctor can't they get conversation with them. You know that make they talk. Can't they talk with the doctor? He say, Mama, can't they do like this? Exactly what my son did do that time. Yeah, he say, you know what I fear you matter again. He say, Mama, can't they do like what the doctor can't say? The doctor can't they ask kind personal life, whether they do sport, he can't say yes. I say, everything. He say, I don't sleep, I don't wake up. I get where they go. He say, Mama, can't they do it? He say, Mama, can't they stress it? He say, Mommy, as my mommy is there, I know that this woman is up to something. I say, really? He say, yes. He say, Mama, can't they do like this? Can't they do like this? Say, one time, my mommy come inside. Bah! It was, imagine, what I don't know what this woman is trying to, what she wants. You know what I'm doctor way. Per favor. Viens c'était kiane. Viens zoa. Viens way. We menane. Oh. We grandma daddy pay me. We na we shit. This is my private matter. Who called this woman here? He went to take we no there. Who can take me one? My private that key. Hey, to tell me, man. Or where no say na a doctor na be Nigerian way. What we concern take care. E no say na a doctor na be Niger. Or we na come doctor no go Nigeria. No go no. O we je na we o. Ye mazo. O amu ye we ni eta me doctor de ni ezo. O doctor na we ni e worry. Ni e de me no to boy we. O to boy ezo. That's a pain now. That's a really pain now. So after that, he was about to go to school. Ona la dia be bai. Ije na be ami doctor. O we la dia be bai no wale. Na mudia ka je be bai na ka be je school na o. No we na mudia ka je be bai. We na ni na tini. Je ke la de pa we na ha we. So mommy, you want to go and tell my daughter about my good morning, my darling. You want to go and tell my daughter about my private part. Who said you? Who said you to say that? Don't you know it's my private? Mommy, who said you? 11 years, don't get. Yes, so you mean that yes, more for me like way. Now yes, more for me. When you once you born pikin, you not say if you observe now, if you not say you want to know whether the hormone of that child don't they change, don't they mature. You don't say if you born small pikin now, even though you not bath for 3 days, if your body want smell now, another kind smell, not be say make it do smell like a fall, like arubara or fall. You understand? You not go fit do like that. You go get up to a stage from 8, 9 years back. A best one we are for. when get bomb more they we are for or certain we are maybe no mark other maybe a man who example now they give but once a bomb so we are for you know say it don't dey matured. You understand? And sometimes the make be you feel like oh you when I get breasted by the left so you know no we poko even aro or ba mature ni ubege ye maturedness wa no ni ubege or ladian very oni e de worry or la way or se po be ladian be no pa or ye no ko na be hu enwe ni won ri ma bu enwe ta wo dey grow dey come aka we enwe or be we won se po we dey gbeti no ri or se po we gbedu ladian e so ti no ri gba ma o come out you go inside the gate come go small again come still come out again before you come out finally na so it still be for male children. You understand? Then if they don't reach the stage of 9-10 years, they so some be 9 years, they so some from 10 years, they will come get pimples from face. That pimples also is a sign of maturity. So if you get male children, all those things now, normal you understand? They press this thing, the doctor will lie. But someone like the doctor here waiting in meal. So not they maybe this are not common doctor say they go remove her. But normally na normal thing for mature children that they mature. If you go, another one go come. Good morning, my darling Quinsley. How you doing? And go come, you go go, you go come, you go go. If people say like that, face say any. If be any man under the when a best one we are for the dog become a boy. Or you may what Jacko who win yana. You are Joe. Benny wa jena no wa Jacko who. You all back my cone whether you like it or not. Also, not me television, we be a cable. Good morning, my darling. Did you day, my love? They'll come say small picking impregnated. Have did this on the normal when he abuse be a car. You have to when you be a can you have rough play. Or my rough play can become a very danger consideration. In Article 7,500. Don't try them because in a school, I will like secondary school never there, you know. Yeah, primary 5 you will pay. And I saw man ya when I have me or don't want me when I have protected bomb and I am mweko when I have everything. Yeah, it comes natural. Able try them. A damn a bogey, eh? A damn a bogey. You get? Don't try white people. They are very, very clever phobia, incessant phobia, intelligent phobia. They are very, very upgrade to the highest level. Or mona wa be no why or wow no be having children here doesn't disturb education. You will continue. They will continue their education. Or mona mwekona be out of wedlock. Emati mweko. Or ma disturb education re. Or why for or what that is. Or why ye school. I beg. Mona be we bo okay do become when I'm here where mana be Nigeria no pekbulo. Now lie. Go out. So my grandson, he don't become a mature a boy. So nobody try him. You understand? Like my daughter Pekin now on kwati ni na yonku. Say yonku ni. I'm your mosi. If you see how you go find the love to find. Or you have cast. Or go we know the night to time. And now where you don't or look again when no man or you go on then okay. Let me see your armpit. When I tell we told you. Is now why we here waiting your zo, you see? Where a meek be communicate with it or waiting your zo any. Or what to turn or maybe I be go with zone. Only my cogena no don't I know where you can wear one. Moment now. 17 years midday before I get here. Mona be Nigeria na be where. When or your Bible be where God 18. What we go for echo. Where God waiting will be here. 18 will be a heg when conflict green black color cow knock back where God 18 and naga go in Nigeria or kiwi nagatin webu I'm a busebo. Have a baby food this the alone I say this thing bottle food different granted a granted meeting allo aga hallelujah 17 years in to where I moto when my baby mona be webu set all money a dwarf no. O my dwarfing ya waka eri mo na gibiena eri o iveje be Nigeria go na gele mo my daughter in mama go buy beef wash and do everything patata all those things and blend them all gone ije wa we na we ye fruit obi me uwa me ke dije na ya e no concern obi e obi me ya go mako o se ni me aye Nigeria we mama me de stress e because una no je say uwa obi e mu ba ri school e then agiapo wonu na wona e watermelon zidi kwere baitala ofure e ba na di bie kana yare enuwe e ba we e be gafa e na ri e ba yo ma ye rem ona mi me so agwaru be Nigeria ma agwaru ayobo me so I grab ma so ye fie obi ma ye sin buto because e ba ni mai o ma de qualification se be ba na no kon ize yo yet taleme what ya give I webo good morning my darling we ya give I Monaco ko we webo we no na ye se na ni o kan ari escoba na ye do gbe mi kini ha but so this sliced bread the mommy I don't want to eat ya gi je ni an obi si wona wa me je mu de me ma wi ya na ye kun ge me ya se gbe uba o packet no te to packet va we ni mu le gbe ari bejon ni mu gi obi mi bejon o we meat pie ni si e meat pie va ni avio pa o ma bi eru di me se fo ma pe no ya lo bi e ban no ya we meat pie ni avio pa ya se gbe pasa o be de kebe bege. So that is the reason. If you are beauty friend, ega je stinginess ya beauty friend. Even aya work with me, aya we friend. Ma understand? Ye be dono na me give a day. Eto ni mu ari ko ikuri majo we daddy we mom we wa like me ma do ma bagmo na e jenari na. Ege me mana e la e bejon me na respect. Obo kana defun ni me night gown no then met it today. 2 nights gown no them e one agbo o wa igwe me white in oro. Or you go me. You understand? I can make a friend. Emiya. I go beku. If ya go beku. You say, but we like it like that. You understand? Eh, pa ye we like a video. Good morning, Matali Monica. How you doing? Here we like a video. We are me monabia weapon on 11 years now. A monabia weapon 9 years. If you get a picking we begin 9 years, 10 years, you don't see period. Don't worry you. Na so it be. I don't face a long time ago. Me ma pio moko. Be me make e we pakpori ya. De quit the. Ebi ya no wari agbe. O wa nwa. You understand? Ebi ya wa fortune. A treatment. E injection afure. Boy lago we me go fure. Lare we mo fure. E injection na re ni be kana ba ga re gbanu we Nigeria. 11 years on ye injection. Injection ya re na ye na ya atebe kia be ba. Atebe te kia ge. Ona ya ka me doctor. O ye injection. Ma injection fo. Having just on the yale lekin. Maria. Or not any my beggar, I will not do it. Jason. Or my phone are normal. Salobano go Tony Hino Magage, ya to say we say papa, egg who came in Nigeria. You got a real like we put up at Yana Mounty with Bizo Maria Lago, Papa Yobiton, one me baba, Laho. A weapona, a woman, Saba, or maybe would your weapon, Gina. So that I mean I would have been the man with a bit of a dog. In Nigeria, I would in Nigeria who call by it that can. Lago papa. Imani would in Nigeria with baby as if we baby at the dog. Imani day. Imana Massey. Ha. Professors, good morning, my brother. How you day? Mommy, I day here. Where are you? Where are you there? In a rejection. 14 years ago, oh, we had to 14 years or yafo. Oh, go down. Where at this 17 years, every another work be a yaga manufacturer. A maga manufacturer now. Where my sister Zigby money. We are a weapon and any. That's in Nigeria. I find you take ya fefe ya garo ma woni bega ene ma make up again if later be dey phone ya am go filter no say bega I no get afan you take you know dey say oga Nigeria e gin na bi mo e gin bi mo ya sisi e gwa my sister o memele dun won na me ma wo wa e ma so we o agbugbo gbajo adwaki ogwajo ja adwaki webo wa do odwaki gbe wo wa le libia la wa do adwaki pogo de ke no kwa kin igwo adwaki ogwajo wa gbogbo wa to tajo webo do gere ke na ya fian yan gbe o Agbo wajo agbebo mi okono wajo ime kenidi emi ya ni mi bo e wana na enjoy me ni avio ge wo wa ba etana awe mi jo wa ma na we mi jo wa be meje me Nigeria but me mate ba be didi no ya tota in Nigeria e ma de ba. I'm sorry every ya tell me na ya ta wa yaji ya ta wa yaji. I'm saying it and I mean it for real. Mate ba be didi no ya tota in Nigeria o. Madeba be didini. Madeba. I'm not among the old people. Madeba. Bege. Abiare wanane. I want to go bank. Get people where they fee for my bank. Abiare wanane bege. If do a be if you na me where it might be. You see? I be say wanane left him wana you will low. See. Baby say wanane. If you don't know we lade. No. This one on me. Very Spanish. I'll go back yes now. When I'll be banking me. Jenny began up by my way, me, I made doctor. Iwanana because who kakaboche pive. So, na so it be. It just be like beggar. At the come. That amazing people. Get what I want to ask. Itafia. Ew. Sorry guys. I made mistake. I be go ask her something and say Ali. Yes, yes, can me give me cleaner. Whatever say cleaner. Give me. Nite ya no I made a mistake. Even na o me na tie. Na ya aya cover me na no ke we do gbe ni we mi yo. So yeah, we no clean am ni ya raise the possible ni baro ya yi. Ogun yede. I'm on live video. Just sit down. So that I can watch it. Oh dear. This one. Here now. I don't supposed to write in here. I write the near here. Here supposed to be Sonny Apeido. I come made mistake here na number my name abi.
You put name.
Official de nascimento. I write nationalidad. I write abi. Nombre de padre, the same name we are with that in the yeah. No. Apeido is Apeido is on the nombre de padre, which is my father's name.
Yes.
Nombre de madre, my mother's name. But this is the what I'm trying to raise now because here I don't supposed to put anything. I will cancel here. Then it's only here I wanted to.
It's not going to clean. You cannot clean.
But Megania says when we did not buy this. We clean out a woman by a try.
No, cleaner cannot clean.
Where any men ye men we are loving. Go and sleep. You don't want to sleep again. Me, I have this. Who will put this door? A window. You know, do I make katasin? Sometimes you can try, you don't can know. I want to use Nigeria method. You don't can know. If I cook any 20, no say.
Go and sleep.
Mama tarara be yori. Mose me no gbadun na.
They go and sleep. What are you waking up?
Mother Kofo. Sleep there, girl. Love you. How are you? Good morning, Mama. You don't say lakun to which one are the great lakun abi? Lamogo. You don't say lamogo to grandmama. Are we quarreling? Magwinea. You are not quarreling? I take good note there. How was your night? Fine. Why you love you now? Mogi we see that me not bad on.
You should have come to help you write it.
It's when you disturb at the end of the day. Why you love you there?
Don't worry.
Oh, love you.
Don't worry.
I shall not worry.
It will not clean, Mama.
But that when I was in any school, that's where women are about what you like.
I used to take it to. Sometimes I used to take it home because I don't want it to dry.
You don't buy extra.
I have to. I have
to. Una live at your school.
Yes.
I'm a musi, I'm a darling. But this one, I'm going to cancel it.
You can cancel it the rest. If there is extra space, you can.
Yeah, but this one, I'm not supposed to write anything here because I ran near you already.
Yes.
You understand? So here now.
Near is correct because.
Near is correct, yes. But this one now, I'm going to stroke it in here. Then I'm just managed to write. Okay, I have space, don't worry. Then it's I love you. Go and sleep.
Wait.
Don't worry, I know what I would do. Go and sleep. I feel it already. What do you think? Yeah, I love you. But it's a cleaner, I mean, I can. Go, 30 minutes time. It's a lot also.
Baba.
Mate oni huwe. Mana. Okay, ye me space. Ebe na yegbe dide ya feel oji. Ami my musia di pe oro. Hai de musia. Don Moscow one international. How you doing? Gbogbo anari yen gbe si asuna control wa de loss drie. Oniro. I beg. Onima de baro ye yamawe. Ono se especially musia no gwana mo bobo umobo mi central itabo emuboro. Iya mo bo me central ita because oniro Ebi ya bibo bana wafi bo degbera irebu wa ire o at this way no dairy. I come yesterday. My brady. I come yesterday. Ire na kutano de. I will not get in be. I will not get in be. It's too sweet. Ebona Losley Beko. It's too de Losley. Bege. Me ase musi amezige ute awa. Because once you are good, you are good. Ama umane. I greet you, my brother. One love. I greet you personally. Even nama Joma. Dennis, why you do happy me la rebe? Magwati on a tank we will talk. I mean no many. If you do a reader, no waiting in me call me reader. Reposia reposition T la God est sous queso. What is this? Larry? What is this? Well,
Representante Lorenzo Gasso. That means what is going to represent you in the case.
Which case I have in another present?
Don't know, but that is what you write there.
Caso.
Caso is case in Spanish.
Which case is that?
I don't know because I did at the situation that you have there.
Case in what court? Which court? I don't know. I will not feel, but I don't know. I don't know. This one is telephone or email, yeah? What about this one? Then I put it before you now. Yeah?
Mama, bring your residence.
Don't read anything out of my resident.
No.
There is something. there is one thing.
What does the represent?
Okay, what is this one? See, nombre. What is this?
Nombre razón social.
Social. I think it's número de social, no? Seguro social. Yeah.
Are they talking about your lawyer?
Eh?
They're talking about your lawyer.
Who's lawyer?
Lawyer. They're talking about.
No. Seguro social. You don't know social.
I know social.
When seguro social, you don't know. You have it, also everybody have it.
I have.
And maybe it's that number.
What do you have with that?
No, that one I have. If your mama wake up, she will come and give me so that because the seguro social, you have a number.
You.
Yeah, for everybody have it. Even the number self, I think is the back of the resident. This one, I think this one is the. Yeah, this one is the. This one is my DNA, yeah. This one is because the Seguro social number is always coming from it. It's only added to your date of birth.
But don't go and make mistake.
No, if your mama wake up, you come and give me this one, the name and everything they put it. Because I think this one is a Seguro social number.
Because saying
Yeah. No, normal. Okay, it's the same thing because this second one I will not feel it. This third one, I will feel it.
Because I've already put your localidad.
I've already put it. This one is domicilio de la España.
Then Spain.
Which address, yeah? Localidad, streets. Spain, yeah? Okay. Telephone number and email. Which one is a CP, Código Postal, yeah? Privo, what will be Provesia? Privosia. Are you laughing?
Privo.
Don't you know I'm
Privo.
It's Provesia now, yeah?
Provincia, that means the.
Provesia.
Maybe the. How will I spell it? Privo.
It's my grandson. This fine boy with the
Privo.
Provesia now. You might write in there. You can't walk by. Good morning, my darling Jojo. And am I walk by and I'm with before? Am I not trying?
Yeah, at least you try pass papa.
Okay, go. Each week I'm walking. Me. Where do you want me? Go. Bye. Take your cleaner. No, you move forward. Use service. Bye, you. I can't. Go. Eja ayoro dori mi. O beleka. Ishoge no ban. Because maka atena wa be no ban no say man agbo na we. Ya re yesigoro this thing en ya we. Egbe go metem. Ibieka ya ga gi onwa. Wa I dey make the mistake we can bieka na ji. Ya wa ko ge oto. Ya o ge we ne re ni ya je ni na ase go wa ase gu pa ase ga me. Yeah, mo money are 50 euro give Nigeria, mo money are give 100 euro give Nigeria. Yeah, me no see ya we wa me gbin ya o ge gbon ma be di oni ma play me. Okay, me ne na e come across. All respect eh. Oh, na give me. Ogbogiwa, ogiemu. Good morning, my darling. Iye wo we egene da ye na. Ayawo ma si akon gbagba. Ogba me is akongba. Ma easy. Gbeso agwa ti a mi no mini. Kwa be manage si akongba ti e. Amaye mi no gi mini gibo. Agba morire. Mommy, you really love this your goddaughter. See the happiness in your face. Hey, yeah. You have come a long way. Oh. For another of waiting again. A very good person, for real. He don't take since 2002. How was your night? My night is cool and chill. Was cool and chill. She's a very nice person. When you will see person, the time we will see last now, January, we gathered in Nigeria and she do marriage. January, where I go for Nigeria, where was my prize. So we know they always they see. If not, we say we are concerned for Nigeria. The last time what we say was 2021 when I stay come. We know they see every time like that. Okay. But this time now she will come. She don't first come greet me for bed, but they will come, or my son will come greet me. He go come. So if your mama not follow, because mama they work, your papa they work, then I will pay for this thing, escort and this thing. Because already we are even next year. He pay an escort here, so that any a man go me no ye. Here modia ho airport. It's my jury. This my ass so make it we know the matter. Hey. Always ya yuto. You know, this none of the ass where I go reach. Iya ya mubono sha, iya ya. Mi ari ebu na no be say na go come we met te. The mema so why you are talking agagu, although you are calling agiri because every day we worry video. You know. We ebu nana we me no mana ebu na mana wo ho. Umana wo ho ebu erioji. So their love is like one a time. Na so it be. You get amana wo ho wo ho nakena. This one on my Musia. He said, please, can you give me your WhatsApp number? Go to my this thing. Either mommy Susie or triple Susie. Mommy waiting be this secret of your beauty as your age. What are you see? Okay, you dey chop better food. Then what are you kiss? Our wake here. Don't get it twisted. Our see a woman we no dey wake here. Every no answer Oye ga. Na me dey tell you. Do you know that Osalopa yem your pa bless oku? Every no igbo ye kokoko so ho adabie, you go get new body again. Oku adabie, you go get new body again. Any woman wey dey born every time. Onagele arieva esi. Wa begere de gbega, da ibe no ya pie no sapa. O we gbe. You know, igbe ni osapa we igbe abuse or say weke mi your mo no da be your mo da be na igbe yerobo igbe yeremoremu the body go change, the system go change. Na so it still be. You understand? So na so it be. Okay? I see her for my comment section when I wake up this morning say the video where I do yesterday. They say na lie. One person they talk say whether na lie, say Napoli they know they say will you get it away from there? Wait, worry you. Napoli Central, the gold where they sell for there, no be all. Some, na 9 carats. If you are not careful, they will give you 9 carats. I said it and I'm repeating it again. Yes, I knew it very well. Agwale dagbo no agwale keneri anaria. Area no ye seke. Napoli anamio. What do you tell me? A Napoli anamio. You get one market where they I don't know whether I still there now. Prison market. We are a prison market. If now wana say we dekbo weji. Ekpo we gafia you are jo for prison market because so jo jinara. What you want tell me we worry you. The person they say na lie they talk. No be lie. If you like you go buy your nyamakoro. Even better that they say na karat if you don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. Okay? If you don't know, you don't know. Even better that they say na karat. If you are not careful, they will give you na karat to be you. Umana ami ebo na fe wayo. Uma done. Okome. I don't understand. Dama be ye documented. Dama we no na ye documented. Doni ogagere eri ona kin ri. So I saw the bill. Which one say na lie? They talk and the person say na lie. They talk. And what log on nine? You want to tell me what I know? Do you want to tell me what I know? You want to tell me what I know? Don't tell me what I know. And I don't say what I don't know. Dima me by way. Wait. But that one I know. Yo, Baba. You understand? So you know. Whatever you see. Okay? Then, Ikia is very, very important. Person says, Ija! if they talk ekia matter we kekia wa ezejo ogisakan in me kiaw my itala the job now they say we will get to both say we they do ekia majority of them now agmogi jena ko ni rogo to ni marry African men or wa bi na gemi obe ekia we be abobo kinya we eki we bele candidate la wa ya abusing of men anybody any mwe macho me ye mo pa no no re jo da fia sumo boy enyam ya abuse boys eje bi mana bana ma we ni ma bana ma mu ejo gima ma tana based on say we are not offended, we would go to our age, but those people now small boy we believe cafe body yin my don't try them, don't go there, don't try them. I'm telling you, I'm saying it as a joke, but that is the truth. I'm not lying. My beautiful wife. Good morning, Jari. How are you doing, my love? How are you doing? I'm in Spain. Ya Spanish now. Yo no trabaja. Yo tiene yo está vacaciones, bueno, yo está vacaciones, yo estoy, yo España, yo está en España. Ahora, yo está en Musti, yo es Italia. Ahora, yo está en Murcia. Mañana, ya Zoe, mañana, yo voy a Bélgica mañana, pero ya será, pero Italia, baba, don't really I can't ever wait for you. They not travel all over the country there. It takes the grace of God for my beauty because this my prayer don't do a lot of country. You understand? Thank you, my wife. We're going to watch it for. The weather is so jolly. It's so jolly. Yeah, we video na phone by yati we ban ya ko at least 9 o'clock it by your worry. 9 I'm left the house. My baby is school back. Wa give then wa give me by it wa give me by you no sabe hablar España. Yo no mucho tiempo, muchos años yo no viví español más. Ahora 11 años yo viví en Bélgica. Solo yo solo oh my God. Good morning Friday, how you doing? Yo vine aquí para visitar, para hacer algo, una oficina, para mi documentación así. Y yo habla antes que yo tiene la residencia de España. Por yo viene aquí cuando yo tiene algo a hacer con mi banco así. You come and see the Spanish today. The Spanish will be Spanish and it will be season. When me have a season, yes, you go here. But they go tell her. But they go tell her say na person I come. Or one of my madre mia to tell baby aquí mucho años tú no hablas español bien. Yo soy abuela. Yo soy abuela. Yo vieja. Por mi bre siempre calculate money. Mucho trabajar, buscar dinero, por Ria yak bele mama mi. Ria yak bele mama. Tu viens et dans una salopo me. E dit it well. Take your time. Bana miege winu wa egbe je so mama eni o wa ya tentoma. bena na metobo mo file na no ga ma so no ima be yen bo be ti ma we na wa bumere o na so my son te my son no get time o ga be ni what e bana ogwe na ogwe ni tie igwe ogwe you don't know what they write there. Always shit. You don't know what they write there. Read it. What you cannot read. It's only when you are reading somebody that is something you on Facebook, you know. No, read it. Jimmy, we will not be me. If not my son be teacher, it's too dated. They go here. Although they push me where when I make away I fit a parcel. All what whether they give me for lender last class, they know they help me. Now only me. I go crack my brain. Crack. That's what they pass. Those paper where I feel so I can't say DBA kagere manano gigi school we near disturb me. I can't tell my goddaughter me photocopy the paper. Me can't give me first. You can't take a picture. Can't say that me. I can't print and comment. I can't read that. I can't feel that. Beg yeah, time where I know they carry last. I feel this paper for Belgium before I come. This is na what do na. Ona do muku na crack na do ati. Di ma evo ina we no me do happy me. Na do we feel na we venia ni ma evo ni ma di igwa tai. But like maybe for example PISO one meaning or okay piso do moyo me we piso meaning we no flow no ji wa no ji we gbomenya na nombre appel do those things localidad those things the yawe ye na kalo na file na this paper na this one be the photocopy of the paper we had the feel so I can't feel now take the feel it can't be complete can't easy for me now ni my yen wo ban anything so wage no be seguro social na na ije ayore ne ba gbe no dori imi idogbon yo my email me yo ne so ya be reason card later dear my be fian because again I feel na yan worry you understand I'm doing my best I'm old I'm not getting young again anymore what do you want me to do you know that is it my ni agbe yi wana temo we ni mi representer ni di ni my no de be mi de ne madal edit bona be mi ni representer lago su keso ya agbe yo baba ni ame person that will stand for you or this thing which one be representative or one representative I no go feel waiting and no if I read there they talk I'll come right person name put for there area koti ama waiting gwale nene di keso you understand my full video then page 2 Ebu. Don't try white milk. That make okay. Phone ni ke asewa adu petiti ologo be logo gbenati. Eri ya we. The second page na kina. Na do we. Ya ebe na ni feeling na. Amarene be logo gbenati bi ebu mege ato ogijo I understand ato ogijo book is very based logo it's a very logo I need to copy it so that when I come I will feel it now yesterday na be one do no this body you cannot tell the body so I say make I relax the break before I do so I don't feel na ni ma ebo ba o do tie bani I go so I've already before I come if anybody is representing you should in case you are not around only because this paper not be paper with person go feel represent person that's what the writer anyway I'm going to extract it now they go so this paper I never even open before me I say babana make we read any paper me read I will see if because more normally to be on car way dia you were idiona me no you are you understand? Let's track it out, they go. Ije ayore neba odo odogun ewe. You know that I'm a mother of citizen. I'm a mother of citizen. Citizen mother here. I'm a mother to uno hombre que muy inteligente, muy clevere. You understand? If you want, may you define, may you de jori. No, my waiting people want talk. If you not say conji the word you say you know the wake again, yeah. Look for one responsible man, me no ro, cause of me are ikiano. You be on ikiano, you be your mommy, what you me. Ki ma 65 minutes if you ya ko. Yeah, you be your mommy way, erianji. Look for a very responsible man that will not stress you so that you will not go on that depressed or whatever. You understand? Enjoy yourself. Don't mind what people is going to say about you. What people say about you is not important. You see, sometimes lawyer do represent one. No. Or we cannot necessary. You understand? If I read it just now, if they ask, I feel write my goddaughter name, I put her for them. I know they go lawyer place, they go extracero. Now they go. And they go extracero. So I don't really need it. This paper, I feel it dead for 20 years. I never feel it. Me maybe been a you de been a wa pay tasani. Me wa pay tasani. Like tasan and everything. I don't already do my daughter. I don't pay the tax. I do everything with me. You understand? So that is it. You don't pay the tax. I do everything. Now just to go there and there. Yes. Okay. Wa zameri on outside. I'm telling you, you don't listen to side talk. People that are talking about you, they are not better than you. They have their cockroach inside their cupboard. Because it's not out there, they feel that they have the right to talk about you. You will be shame your shame. Don't shame me. Don't shame. Just let there be and move on. And do what you know is right to do for your own life, for your own security. Not because of what people you go to say. If you do something because of people, damn you. You end yourself. Not be saying I go come. If you come to say, you are on your own. You get. No, you are on your own. Some of them, they can't crocodiles what they get for inside their cupboard. If they cut and eat to 3 places or 7 places, you not get 1/4. Yes. You understand? Waiting before. So don't let anything where bother you. Do what you know that will make you happy. Because your happiness is very important. It's true. I'm not lying. Your happiness is very important. If you listen to it on a time, you cannot move. I mean, they tell you. You know, go free move. You can see it on social media what would they so. Person will not get husband. But it's affair if you come out in what affair yourself. If you can't ask the person, what did you know about relationship? Talk let of husband and wife. Okay, so have you ever experienced it before? Person, one of my water that might pay a bride price, that might marry. In fact, anyone, this is boyfriend. No friend, they live one day, or my experience said they were that going. They will just do one, they will throw away. You get. So that kind of person, marital affair will come out for social media. Bam! The person will just jump, put brakata, wiki. Oh, woman, you may. Homana go what's on my brother. We are going to verify in a very, 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 very spiritual and physical verification. The person don't ever stay with man for us for 1 year. Talk less or say you know the experience of living with a man in the say as talk less or say husband. Good morning, my darling. How are you doing, my darling? You know, I don't go where this pay, my darling. I'll go back tomorrow. I day holiday. I still get 1 week holiday, then I take 2 days for inside. You understand? So what are we not saying? You see? So that kind of person, I go can't tell you, say, we man only was said, we man go water. Yeah, they're not going to do be. You just say, now to pay the bride price, now make can where you be married woman. No. Not be the bride price where they pay you on where yeah, we go your own who no water. And we go your own is not the main issue. Can you start it and stay with the man in the same roof? Let's say, good morning, my sweetheart. Good morning, Mama. Sorry, I missed your call last night. Later I did, my love. Do you understand? And you feel stay with man for house. You not see married where some people go marry. They'll marry for January, they go scatter for December. Some of them, they are not capable to live with the same man in the same. They are not capable to live with a man in the same as they cannot tolerate the man. You just say they go your boyfriend, your boyfriend they come your house, you they stay. You'll never stay together. Now one will stay together. Now you know say real character na violate na penetrative You understand? Like some people now they go restaurants. If they want to eat for restaurants, they will eat like this because we are a restaurant. If now only they did them, that's what they be. If now only you they eat as the food take the sweet. Ula boya, you go to restaurant, you don't. Oge tomato si ya no la wo wi e uzolo. Don't know where no yari no. My tara. That's what they be. So or person now we never experience childbearing. You go can't tell you say you don't know how to take care of your children. Look at you, the phobia your children knows. Look at the way your picking is talking to you anyhow. Look at the way you are talking to your picking anyhow. Look at the way your picking is doing. Your picking is not responsible. As the example now they give so. And that person, he never even know how they take the type of pass. A doctor saw in no salobaya will lay body no koya stress in whether na CVCNT CCS CW name or CS what whether na CS you take on whether na natural this thing. Or my experience in one quarter, the only thing with that person don't experience now how to do abortion. Finish. Then you come to tell you, say you know capable enough to take care of your children or to your children to take care of you. You see life. This is on a war against discipline. You see, they are trying to interrogate. Wait till you don't even know. You get? That's what they be. That's what they be. That kind of person now, you go come talk to you, then you will come face at the Baba, wait, worry you. Will you get it? Go and clear your eye, I go and make up and enjoy yourself. That's what they be. Or person I mean now, I never go driving school. I sabi drive. But I don't have driving license. You get? Or me now, we are not get driving license. I go contact person we get driving license say no know how to drive. May to take exam if I may ask myself question. So what right do that have to control person we don't sit down? Not be person with the right exam for the talk. No. Everybody get driving license. I'm not talking about you. We pay for person with person. Out of 100 people we get driving license, 50 now people write for the 50%. Not be when they talk. People will sit down, write their driving license by themselves. Where they are driving, you will cut down for them. You know any of they study. We are able to say man do study because you go by yourself. Na gbe compare apiste mu na o ila dian e wa fi moto ge dian mo be dian you understand because you didn't do it by yourself. Anyway you get no problem. But like me now, I never sit down, never write tests. I'll call the jealous person will sit down, write your test. You will take pass the exam. Not possible. Now a lot of people get nationality. They have passports. They abuse law. A lot of people have passports. They abuse it. Do you know why? Because they don't even know. They don't try the exam by themselves. They don't know the rules. Because the reason they say write the exam before, if you pass it before you get your passport, they want you to know the law in that country so that you will not fall into troubles. That is the reason you see a lot of immigrants. Because that exam not be the right time by themselves. They go get passport in because they write it for them. They don't even know the gravity of what they are doing. Because if they know as a passport holder, you will not do it. Me, now, if I take my passport tomorrow, you go come tell me, say, me, me do au nyaga, me no to sa, ne gbe oko na ri baro. Ina to po make bezan, we worry you. Not be possible now. It not feel possible because I did it by myself. I know my rights. I will not go and ask any person when me yenania, when me say me Belgium. Me do pa ya no ma when me na me they no right me. Will you get inside? If you do all tele people wey get passport for Belgium, I cannot go and meet the person and ask the person what is my right because the time when they see their passport, it was a very easy way. Those stress we will pass through all those a diploma na when man have your my way boy because I my supposed to serve the only even in Spain till 2015 amaga never when my ya gbesa ati exam before you get your nationality in Spain started from 2016 also started 2016 date may apply with 2015 may due date may ready apply but now apply a party ni agbesa me because I've already due already. You understand? Because by Spanish law, if you write this thing, good morning, my darling, how are you doing? By Spanish law, if not in it's all country, if passports give you documents. Okay. If a passport give you a document, after 3 years, if you don't go school, you must go that school, do everything. You have a title to your passport, you understand? But we will do general, say, our general law. Mana will be, after 10 years, you are capable, you understand? So I got my Spanish document in 2005. 2005. So I due in 2015. In fact, 2015, I due for passports. You see, 2015, I complete 10 years. So my residence in Spain now is 20 years. 20 years or year. You understand? So now so they be my people. So don't let, the reason I'm saying all those things that somebody will not experience something. Beni me ye bana. Onu opa do tagwe azol on be me. Odo kama me we ima ho we worry you. We do go and say that. Ima de proof. Our I got my document. I built my document. I built my residence. I built them before I enter Spain. You say, Mama, now 1 year. Okay, 1 year. They know 1 year way. They know 1 year. You understand? I built my document. They know 1 year. I built my document. When I just get my document 2005, I use them by myself. They work from 1 year to 5 years. 2010 now I am when now maybe stop for 1 day. I don't need to give it to anybody. I don't need to give it to anyone. Never. I don't need what you want you to do. I build it by myself before I enter Belgium. You understand? If passport give you documents, after 1 year you can apply for passport. That is, you go your school. You must go school. Yes. You must go school in Spain because my junior sister wait there for UK, Mario Ibuna cast now she go to school and everything. All this school Catalan. In Catalan, they get a lot of law. You must go school of Catalan and all that before you get that passport. And you must go school. I want a passport in when you have to over. Good morning, my darling IJ. How you doing, my love? You understand? I get you know I understand. So that is it. You get. So make I go. I want to go and bath me. I want to go and bath. This is my gift from my amazing goddaughter here. She bought this thing away for me. She first tell me say she buy something away for me. Felicia, you're that for me. Your moment on my wagon. See what my goddaughter buy with me. Me I take the shakara. Beg hey. When my mama be this you, I no get another one. My mama be this you. Me I take the jury. I get on this show. Yeah, you see, it is good to be good. It is good to be good. Bege. That is how to build friendship. Some people don't know how to build friendship. You understand? Some people, they are do gaga. Thank you, my darling. Don't make sure. You can say that again. Some people don't know how to do things. They do things gaga. They don't know how to do things. So that is it. At this, he say, Mama, where you did? Now, I my goddaughter place. Yeah, when I be a daughter, my boy, I brush. Oh, brush and be a school with Benny, yeah, when me and la diaba. Now, yeah, they busy. She dey stay Akataria. Ankataria. Good morning, my beautiful Linda. How you doing? I dare your namesake house, man. I'm here right away with your namesake. Yeah. Hope you are nice because this my leader, she's very beautiful and she have a good heart. She's a beautiful. She's like all those Bolivia people. Now, so I call her, but she dey fair way. She's very nice. Meat pie where I want carry come on. She don't do my meat pie did it. That's why I buy this one. I buy this one with my mama. He even go buy baza. They say baza for Spain. One of the baza became. We are a baza. We are not with no voice. She's a very nice person anyway. One of the baza. Good morning, Madali Faye, Tenuti, Gaziphobia, Mama, Worldwise. Worldwise, yo. Man, that's also in my bag. A camera and a fleet man. You see him? I don't get a fan you take. See him? Sometimes I get people if I did my period. You understand? If I did my period, I say my period on Monday. Now I go start to declare. You see? So why not? I'm still full woman. You understand? After 7 days, now 6 days from now, I have ovulation. When we have guess it, we have ovulation. It did make automatic. My old age come automatic. It's a natural automatic old age. You understand? It's natural automatic old age. So that's how it be. Wa onu amu se no de human no de yesira sira ma wa we kia yege. Do you understand? Wa we kia yege. I we kia yege wa re na esi. Understand? I be supplements na wa gba be 45 years are you to kune. I be supplements ni. Me carry na na me kai all those vitamins. Sweetheart mo pa no regime na we yin ina we evi me ogukweri okpa be na supplement be na wo ima for skin and for bone na gbori me o igbagbori me na re ge doctor me doctor ko yo we ya ye ba na doctor na we ya wa be ma ba na na gwege o we supplement na do you say it is it correspond with this doctor like do gay on our yes on my tell you by a vitamin or na air no is very good for skin and for bone in our don make sure e dey wagbe wo wi eni odo imamure o ye dey wagbe wakazo yuku iwaro ero ikawasi pe wanwe ikawa drink ye wa drink ni bad stand iwanwe make wo wi slice bread okpa iva iwanwe normal supplement o we vitamin iwanwe by yala iwakpa yare wona na so you see on the do deba it's probably do deba it's probably not original one it's probably iwa mege ya ye you understand cause again na Nigeria bege ni ari again na ya la wepo na ni airi wasware no managiri egi custom big be we understand no, I'm not lying, I'm saying the truth. Not when or why the dinner na person mama we person mama you will be away we not be we are not be who a last born no do na ladian or any of a girlfriend or any. My jealous egg me and my children we understand. They do their things, I do my own. My baby me I got bill of it no me. Are you jealous or why not? Why am I jealous? I have my own we get one of your when we mama oh come which size is this 41? You that they born yesterday. I forgot to bring your this thing. I'm going to allergy to when I was giving you birth. When your mama newborn you. When we need you need you not that be away. Till we do. We're brushing here. Better it's like I'm saying, clean this thing in your mouth. You know that? Or you're going to clean it immediately. I can't enlarge. Baba need to take it. I will go and enlarge the picture. I'll come and give it to you, or the day you will marry. And so my magazine mama. Worldwide, very funny. Thank you, my darling. A picture getting now. Whoever that be me do womugo. So ebo me na record ni na yo fi gbon ya wo egbe no na yeto na yo fi gbon mo egbe ni na ho e picture ni o yiro e de no wari ohu iwa alade picture ni wa ye gede egbe iwa mu ne bi ba or iwa ki what is this? Now this one is when they were small picking where they were born you. You understand? You know that when you were small and the one that give you birth, your mama told you. You know that, I have the picture when I was using oil to rub in your body. That time you made to colo. You were very to colo. Now you are not big. That is the gift I will give you the day you will get married.
Which thing?
The day you will get married now. Very soon now you will have girlfriend. Hi. Shebi, you told me yesterday that side is baby. Yeah?
It's not me that takes
But you were very angry because your mama said to the nurse that you will have a baby there. That thing she do, you know that is objection overruled. You know that it's not right. You understand? Okay? So I will come at that place where you sit down when I put oil for your body. It's with you know that table Gino. It's with Gino. We'll go and light that place. I will give it to you. You will now open it. Now say, your wife will now say, what is this? I will now say, this the ekia you are doing now. This is the person that carried the ekia. This is the time when you were small. I was giving you bath. They will not say, where this they do balama is from. You understand? You know that I'm a dedu balama. You know? I'm not a dede. Okay, well, maybe a dede. 50 centimes, you know why dede. That's so a dede. Do we understand? You need to understand. We a dede with 50 centimes. We make it dede. I will like it, I will bring it. I think it's not good. It's good now. Put it in your parlor. Very good view. Your children will not grow. They will see. Who is this? They say, Papa, this is how we give birth to newborn baby.
African newborn baby.
Yes, that's how we do it. You see it. That's all. I get to do balama. You know that I'm a do balama.
You have never reached.
I'm not a didi.
No.
But you know that I'm a balama.
What is balama?
Balama, person that is doing bagbati. You don't know what is bagbati?
Saga.
Saga. Hey, give me 5. Oh, we saga.
No, not because I don't really know what is saga, but I be seeing you go be destroying people.
If anybody talk to you anyhow, let me know. Nobody do that to my son and go scot-free.
Mama, blow already. Don't disturb yourself.
Okay, you will take care of that, Abi.
I can defend myself.
Okay, Oje will be Oje. And the one that give you birth when they born you, I put a small this thing to clean inside your mouth. I know you don't have a dolly moment. Since they born you, you don't have a dolly moment. You beg where I can defend myself. Nari they do balama. We are to defend the you sabi at drama. Eri amu never tell you. I will allow the picture very beautiful. I will give it to you as a present. You will put it in your parlor. For everybody now say, who is this?
My friends always like to call. So I like my people.
They call. You already call. You really like video. Water. Oh, what we found? Where I give me to you? And we do you.
You off it.
I off it now. Who will put this with to be? What can we only look at here? Who will put the window?
Me.
You make you out. Oh no, why they don't know what to cook. We not to apollo. You then they sit down when it don't pass mama. Eko mona bere we boyan o waka. Lion dog gebe. Ija, you can say that again. Ako, omo ni mekwe. Emo ya ni mekwe e bona ya boom. If you ever deba. Eke we are for you this 6 when I bath for this Musa. A young one all of them don't grow. I don't bath twins. Guess. I bath this one. Another one again. Who again? Another one again. I'm money make we be able self. If I can't answer now boy, then Tiosa, Promise, Dennis, Ima. That is 4 boys and twins. 6 children plus my son. I made birthday for this city. 4 boys, and the boys now they don't already grow. It be like now this one I be the last one. The last but not the least. You hear it say we are we are buff. Yeah, one of a dovey. So I got my girlfriend in it.
Not this.
You showed me yesterday now.
No, I show you the one that people do.
But the other one you are going to do.
Yes.
Red here. You have lipstick.
Yeah.
That one is going to be with red lipstick.
Yeah.
For Halloween. This one now you are now dressing like this. It's like you have girlfriend there already.
Girlfriend of what?
I don't understand your dressing.
It's the way the person dress now. It's not me.
This one you know how to keep this one already. Eh? You use a roll up on your armpit already. Be doing that.
I don't have girlfriend.
You don't have?
No.
You sure?
I sure.
This one that you are smiling so. Provide for your study. Education is very important though.
It's not that it's making me do. It's not your mom with girlfriend.
In my wedding, my tie. You understand? I'm just asking. It's not that I'm trying to do small affair. Me, I'm just trying to. You understand? You cannot understand. With time, you will know what I'm saying. You understand? Halloween. Bye, my darling. Enjoy your day. Nice work. So I'm just trying to do small affair to ask. It's not that.
You are trying to make that up. You are trying to make me that up.
No, just that. So a little request.
Small request.
When you want to do me, no, because this one now, look at the way you dress to. You dress like somebody that is going to a big party.
No, it's a no. We are going to even throw a party at her school.
Party? And I'm
you didn't know the party that we threw yesterday?
I didn't know. You did send it to me.
People are.
Me, I'm not a student.
People, yeah, well, why? Because you know, it was 30. Yesterday was 30.
30.
Today is 31st Halloween.
Yeah.
So before the natural party, before the Halloween, which they will throw today, but more bigger.
More bigger. Is today they share sweets?
This today you go to go and toss bear and roll.
Is it okay? This one is not the one that do in the street and throw sweets. No, this one is not that one. That one is Easter.
That one is
pass.
No, that one you cannot. Maybe it's going to be on Friday, but it's going to mostly is on Saturday or so.
Tomorrow is first.
So yesterday they will stick out full of one color the powder. They will boom. If you see my clothes, hi.
Was that this one also is going to rough today? You know.
No, but what is the thing that is good about it? That is nothing that can just stay permanent. You can wash.
Okay,
off.
You can wash. What did you? If your mama put it in the machine,
and you can wash off.
Okay. No, but this one is why if your mama put it in the machine,
you will wash off.
Will wash off. Okay, that's good. Very. When one, you know, you must very fine. You want to come and say hello to them?
No.
Come and say hello to them now.
I don't want.
You don't want?
No.
Before you like it, no, now you don't like it again.
No.
You are not a big boy. Hey, Baba.
I don't want.
What happened now?
Me not do makeup and I happen to me. So just rub ordinary white powder and do like that.
Umorwe. Is that what we tell on now? But me yake do omorwe na. Ora ya we uyoro ya we take do ye lipstick do ya we ni. Abi or you say padana the padana sama ye pada we work abosho. Try again. A pada we bone. He said today is the big day of Halloween in Spain. Yes. FJ Madali color 2B, how are you doing, my love? How are you doing? So before I cut it, this one is 360. I do it with just a spray it and they tie it. You know, there is no need to in here. I don't do the back. I put this thing like this one. So 360. This one on my daughter. This one on her. Okay, my friend. See. Shit. This one is the front. Oh. This one is the back. So it did very, very easy. Now just to remove this one, you remove this one if you want me to stay where. What you know here? Remove one on him. May you not look at me because on the lady. What do you okay, more you depends of your hair. We want to see it. Now here you want to tie the back. You know, say before they glue all the round. Now you don't need to glue all. You will just draw it. You will take this one down. You'll be very careful. This one will go down. This one will go down. You see, depends how you take one time. How you tie it. Then after them, you put it inside. Then now you know as you take cut the front and the very soft. Or you then the baby hair. So if you want to leave the baby hair long, you can leave it, or you cut it very beautiful. You see, this one is 24 inches. So now like this now for this one is also 24, but natural expression you might have. Now like this one now we go that party will go last time for Germany. This brown igual la mopone yado o maro brown. A black emevo, but I love this brown. The matte me way. You see, so that is it. One more you want what they comfortable where more you want it. Hey, boy, when I get out of here, man. Where more you want it. Oh, you must say. So, time is up. I want to go and take my bath. Shower in my bath very fast. Okay, and me, I can't be na. Make a la one avena. He go reach around that kind 5 or 6. Go reach 5 or 6. Now me get perfumery and regular. Okay, 360. Like this, okoko. 24 inches. The purse, as you take full, this one at 200. 250 deciliters. The full. Bye everyone. Thank you all so much. I love you guys. It's a sweet day every January 6th, which they call children. Bye everyone. I love you guys. Bye bye.